Got a layover in Madrid? You're 12 kilometers from tapas bars, world-class museums, and tree-lined boulevards. Whether you have 4 hours or 16, here's your plan for MAD. Getting around from MAD is easy. The Cercanías train takes you to the city in 35 minutes for just €3. Or grab a rideshare for about €30 in 25 minutes. Let's build your itinerary. With just 4 hours, stay at the airport for this Madrid airport layover. Start by clearing customs and grabbing your bags, then head to one of the VIP lounges like Plaza Mayor or Neptuno for some rest and refreshments. Next, grab a quick meal at one of the tapas bars or cafes, budget around €15. After that, explore the duty-free shops in Terminal 4 for Spanish specialties like jamón ibérico and olive oil. Then head to your gate with plenty of time to spare. Got 8 hours? Now you can really explore Madrid. Clear customs first, then take the Cercanías train from Terminal 4 straight to the city center. Head to Plaza Mayor and Puerta del Sol to soak in Madrid's historic heart with a quick coffee on a terrace. Next, walk over to Mercado de San Miguel for a tapas crawl. Budget around €15 for jamón ibérico and patatas bravas. From there, stroll down Gran Via for some people watching before catching the train back to the airport with time to spare for security. 16 hours? That's a full day in Madrid. Start with customs, then take the train to the city and head straight to the Prado Museum for world-class art from Velázquez and Goya. Allow about 2 hours. Next, walk over to Retiro Park for a relaxing stroll by the Crystal Palace and Boating Lake. After that, enjoy a proper sit-down lunch with a menú del día, about €15 for 3 courses. Then explore the Royal Palace and its stunning interiors for another 2 hours. From there, hit the tapas bars in La Latina for an evening crawl, budget another €15. Finally, catch the train back with plenty of time for your flight. Budget breakdown. 4 hours costs about $50 staying at the airport. 8 hours about $28 with a quick city visit, and the full day about $42 seeing Madrid's highlights. A few tips for your Madrid layover guide. First, the Cercanías train from Terminal 4 is way cheaper than taxis. Second, book Prado Museum tickets online to skip the lines. Third, budget 2.5 hours before departure when returning to the airport for security. Planning a Madrid layover? Full guide at yopki.com, link below.